Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from the Fishless Fisherman. Today we're going to be cooking shellcracker over an open fire. Went out yesterday, caught a nice size shellcracker and decided I want to do something a little bit different instead of deep frying it. So we're going to cook it in a cast iron skillet right over some hot coals from a fire. And so I'm not going to show you guys the cleaning portion of the video. I'm going to skip that this time. I will have other videos linked to this one if you do want to see some catch, clean, and cook videos that I've done in the past. But with that being said, you guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you a quick clip of me catching the fish the other day. I was doing it from a live stream, so the footage may be a little grainy, but you guys hang tight and we'll catch you back here at the fire when we're getting ready to cook up some fish. Stay tuned. It's very chilly up here, so it makes the fishing hard. I got something. Check out that rod on the right because it's been getting hit a little bit. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but I was getting a pretty good thump on it. I don't feel anything on it. Oh, maybe he is on there. Yeah, I got something on there, guys. Now I do plan, I'm going after shellcracker today, so if we get any decent sized shellcracker, I am going to keep a few. Got a stringer. Let's see what we got. This will be our first catch. Oh, that feels like a good one. Oh yeah, it's a shellcracker, all right. Awesome, first catch of the day. Let's see if I can get him in so you guys can see him. Oh, get some of that mud off of him. Hey guys, coming back. Got a nice shellcracker. That's exactly what we're targeting today. It's a nice size shellcracker. Oh man, I think he swallowed the hook too. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that out. I'm going to have to cut that. It's too deep in there. All right, none of you guys can see that. First catch of the day, beautiful shellcracker. And keep this one too. All right, guys, we got him on a stringer. First one of the day. Let's see, make sure you guys can see it. There you go. Beautiful. All right, let's get him out in the water on the stringer. All right, everyone, so here's the shellcracker that we caught. Got it all cleaned up, scaled it, removed the guts. We're going to cook it with the head on this time. So what we're going to be using today, I've got some iodized salt, and we're using some Weber roasted garlic and herb seasoning, and half a stick of butter. And then what we're going to be doing over here, I've got the cast iron skillet sitting over our bed of coals, and we're going to let that heat up, and then we're going to throw the shellcracker on there whole. All right, so you want to add, since I left the skin on, you want to add enough salt to both sides. Make sure you get it real good. And then you want to get the cavity on the inside. And then we're going to hit it up with this Weber roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Get a little bit on the inside of that cavity. And you want to make sure that you have a lot of the seasoning on there. Okay. And then what we're going to do, I've got some butter. We're going to stick this inside of the Shellcracker's body right there. Then I'm going to leave 3 pieces of that butter, and we'll put that on top as it's cooking. All right, everyone, there's our Shellcracker. Whole Shellcracker going to be going straight into the skillet. And then I also have some lemon juice. So we're going to put a little bit of lemon juice on there with the butter on top as it's cooking. So we're going to let this cook for a few minutes on each side. Once that skin starts to look like it's peeling up off the fish and you get that opaque color on the meat, it's going to be ready to go. So you guys hang tight. I'm going to cook this up and we'll be back with you as soon as it's done. All right, I'm gonna get some lemon juice and put it on this side. I already got it on the other side. Just let that butter sit on top. Melt a little bit over that. It's looking good. All right, everyone, here's the final product. We got our whole Shellcracker that we cooked over the fire in a cast iron skillet. There's only one thing left to do. Let's do the old taste test. So let's give it a shot here. See how it looks on the inside. Oh, look at that. Flaky white meat right there. Right off the bone. Make sure it's not too hot. Eating it that way almost makes me regret ever eating fried fish, to be honest with you. It's really good. All right, so what we did, we scaled it, cleaned the inside out, cooked it over an open fire. It's delicious. I would highly recommend doing this. All right, everyone. Appreciate you for sticking with me, watching this episode. Check out all my other catch, clean, and cook videos. Until next time. Oh, I almost forgot, Mom. Love you and miss you. Wish that you were here enjoying this with me. Until next time, I'll catch you all on the next one. All right, what'd you catch, Robert?
Catfish.
Is that your first one?
It's my first catfish.
Yeah. What are you going to name him? Whiskers?
Yes.
Hold it up.